Hello everyone. Sorry for the thing there. So this is something I would like you guys to work on over the weekend. It'd help me out quite a bit, so that I could give you guys notes on Monday. It's kind of a thing we called flip classroom. So you work on it at home, and then you guys work on then you um, and then you bring it to the classroom when you have questions, and I can give you notes. This is just kind of chug and plug. It's just getting you guys acclimated with average atomic mass. And we just learned about isotopes. Now we got to go and find out where that decimal comes from on the periodic table. This case, you do not need your periodic table, so you don't have to get it out. And this is from a program called PHET, P-H-E-T. It's about physical education, physical science education. And it's really good and very, very helpful. There's 3 parts. This one is just you're going to be working with the program, and you'll kind of do your analysis of this. We'll talk about this word stability here in just a second. Here's the carbon dating, and we'll get into this in greater detail, but basically it's how the nitrogen cycle and the carbon cycle are intertwined. Okay. All right. And then the last one is still working with that program that, excuse me, that you start again, chug and plugging, putting in stuff, and then seeing what the results are. So it's kind of, it's just the effect of it. So the one thing on this is that you can't see the atom. We talked about how small an atom is, and so you have to just see the overall effect of septillion, like an unimaginable number just for a small quantity of substance, okay? And hopefully at the end of the school year, we'll be able to talk about stoichiometry, which you can kind of start seeing how does that relate to mass and how does that relate to the amount of molecules or formula units or atoms itself, okay? All right. So let's go back to this one. I'm going to pause for just a second. Okay, so if you see it says complete by Monday, I'm going to go ahead and edit that. And Monday, I forgot what day is Monday, the 12th. So I don't normally assign homework. So while you're watching the Chiefs at the Super Bowl, you can be doing chemistry. So try to get this done on either Thursday or Friday, so that you can go through and get it done. It should not take you very long. It's a pretty good, it's a pretty easy lesson. So let's go ahead and I'm going to click on the worksheet. You also will need to click on this program. Play with it for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pause. Please play with it for a few minutes. You have to double click. Okay, I'm going to pause. Okay, so I hope you guys played with it for just a little bit. When I'm in the class, I just spin. I have you guys play and discover. I think that's a really important thing to do. I'm trying to go there. Okay, we're going to cut some things off. Let me see if I can't blow it up anymore. So this is very similar to build an atom where you have protons, neutrons, and electrons. You have all M, you have these, and I will also, you'll have neutrons. Remember, protons are the what determine the atom. Here we know what the atom is. We're not building it, but we are also we're not building it. We're just we're already established, but we can throw in neutrons. Okay, because neutrons is the key for isotopes. If you don't know what an isotope is, please go and look at the videos last week. Here's another thing that clicks on. There's, oh, we go from a number to a mass, or to a decimal. Whole number, decimal. Whole number, decimal. And then on the other side, we have mixtures. I'm going to go ahead and remove my face so that you can see. I think, did I get it? Yeah. I hope my face is gone. I'm sorry. And then you can just build this and just go from there. And you have the elements 1 through 18. And for this case, you don't need a whole bunch of the periodic table. You can also use this, and you can scroll up, and you can scroll up, and you have my mix and nature's mix, which does it. So sulfur, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 isotopes, different types of isotopes. And you see the pie graph, which we'll come back to. And then we also have nature's mix. Okay, and we'll get into what that means. We're going to be using most of these, but like I said, this is an introductory thing. Okay, all right. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to classwork, and I got the average atomic mass. So I have lithium, lithium, lithium. They're all going to have blank. And so I'm going to go here, and we're going to be talking about the four different isotopes of lithium. So if I go here, I'm going to go to Li. I'm going to go ahead and click that symbol, and I'm going to go there. Okay. All right. So what I would do is I would take a, maybe if you guys can, and you want to get, you have 5, 6, oh, that would be the 7. Does that 7 match up? Yeah, see if you can't take a picture of that, snap that. If you can't, that's okay. You can fill out the other ones, and then we have 8. So I'm going to go to lithium 5. I'm only going to do lithium 5. So I need to remove, we got to get this. How am I going to remove it? Oh, we're going to remove the neutrons, because I can't remove the protons, because then it's not lithium. So I have this here. Number of neutrons. Let's go see. Oh, there's my neutrons. Protons, protons, protons 3, because that is lithium. And then we have 2 neutrons, and then 3 electrons. There's no options for electrons because we don't care about electrons. And we honestly don't care. So they just have it up here because they just want you to know that they're still there. Electrons become very important, and once again, if we didn't have electrons, we wouldn't have life. Okay, so number of neutrons is 2. I'm going to go down here, 0 abundance. Let's check that. Boom, right there. So where's that? Natural abundance. Let's find where that, oh, abundance in nature. So that's what it is. Okay. Is it stable? Yes or no? Let's see. It says right here, if it's shaking, it's unstable. So this is, you can write no, you can write unstable. Okay. All right, got it? Okay, so I'll let you do 5, 6, 7. You might have to screenshot it. If not, we know that it's 7. Just put the 7 there, and 8. You guys can do that. Okay. The next one is, you guys, you'll have to play with it. Look at your data from above. It says, just from here, you have to fill that out. What is the relationship between natural abundance and stability? So if not, you're going to have to play. You're going to have to figure that out so that you can try to get that going. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. What is an isotope? So you guys can go to your notes, you can go to the previous videos, you can figure that out. Here you'll read, and it deals with carbon 12, carbon 14. We'll go and explain that. Why does the amount of carbon 14 justify your answers using the simulation? So that you'll need to go back, and you'll need to do carbon, and you need to get it to 14. Okay. And that will pertain to the question up above about stability. Stability is very important. That's what we're going to lead into next week. Okay. Stability is very bad, but it's also very good for certain things. Okay. All right. The next one. Told you this is not too bad. All right. We're going to go to mixtures. Okay. And we're going to hit this pretty hard next week. So the more you know, the more I can explain it and you guys can get help. Okay, so the more you do it, it's okay to have this wrong. At least you're attempting, at least you're getting acclimated with the program. Okay, all right, so we have hydrogen, 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 oxygen, 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 and then we have 3, but you've got the average atomic mass. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back. I am here. I have to click the mixtures. I'm going to scroll this down. And also from previous, make sure you make these bigger. Okay, it's really important. Let's go here. You don't have anything that you need to mix up here. Okay, so let's go see how much. Oh, I have hydrogen. Oh, so you need 10 and 10. Again, it's imperative that you play. So you can go here and spend your time going and adding 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all purples. Now I've got to have what? Oh, I have hydrogen 2. I also have 10. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I've got 10 and 10. I go here, average atomic mass. What? Where's that at? Right there. There it is. 1.51096. You need all of it. Okay, and you need to write your unit. I got to go back and forth. 1.51. Let's go check. I'm surprised I remembered all of that. 096 AMUs. Very important. Okay, and then you'll go through. You have 10 and you have 5. And you have that. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So you just keep going through that. Okay, now the next one is oxygen. What I would recommend, because there's weird numbers, you have 16, 17, and 18. You have 3 different isotopes that naturally occur. And we're going to get into that. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go here. And what does it say? 16? Oh, I only have 3. And then I have 3 and 3. Okay. I made it more difficult than it needed to be. I'm sorry. You could also come here and do the 3. But I'm going to make it easier. And I got 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you guys will go there and you'll find there's the answer right here, right there. Okay, for that first one. Then this is where it gets tricky. You're going to have to figure that out. If you guys don't know how to quite do this, that's okay. If you can try, I would click now. Listen to me. I would click here. We've got this. I'm going to do it twice. See my mix? I want you to go to nature's mix. And I would like you to find something that is 25, 37, and 21. Where is that? Right here. So sodium, 22. I'm going to go to magnesium, 24, aluminum. So it's got to be magnesium or aluminum. And you just kind of got to get it mixed up. Maya, could you stop by the main office, please? So looking at it, and I just got a few seconds left. I would hold off on those bottom ones because those are pretty tough. Okay. All right. You have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy those Chiefs. And email me if you have any questions. All right. Bye.